students, we will discuss the next para, which I will revise, microbial enzymes. We will discuss this paragraph again, and then we will continue with something called as xanthan gum. We will continue with something called as antibiotics. Just listen carefully. You'll realize what we eat in ice creams, what do we eat in puddings and all that. What are microbial enzymes? Nowadays, instead of chemical catalyst, microbial enzymes are used in chemical industry. Why? Because they operate at low temperature, pressure and pH. Therefore, what happens? The energy is saved and erosion proof instruments are not necessary. Energy is saved and erosion proof instruments, erosion proof म्हणजे घाण होणार आहे, erosion proof instruments are not necessary. Next, microbial enzymes perform only specific process. Hence, what happens? Hence, unnecessary byproducts formed are not there. Unnecessary byproducts are not formed and the expenses for removal of these unnecessary byproducts is avoided. बघा किती फायदा झाला. Okay? Next, during the microbial enzymatic reactions, there is the elimination and decomposition reactions are avoided. दोन्ही elimination आणि decomposition दोन्ही avoid केले जातात. Therefore, these enzymes, these microbial enzymes can be reused. Hence, these microbial enzymes are eco-friendly. Examples of these microbial enzymes are Patkara, transferases, oxidoreductases, ligases, lyases, isomerases, etc. Okay, हे examples आहेत microbial enzymes च्या. Not only that, dirt or muck म्हणजे घाण, तेलकट घाण जी असते, dirt or muck removal is possible at low temperature if you mix detergent with these enzymes. तुम्ही बघत असाल की तुमची जेव्हा म्हणजे हंतरुण धुवायचा जो प्रोग्राम असतो घरात, तेव्हा जनरली what your mother does, she puts the bed sheets or bed covers in hot water and add detergent. Why? Because there is easy removal of dirt. But if you add enzyme to detergent, you can remove the dirt or the muck even at low temperature. Next, glucose and fructose syrup can be prepared from corn flour by the action of enzymes obtained from bacilli and streptomyces. Examples, they are used, your microbial enzymes are used in various industries which include cheese, plant extract, textiles, then you have paper, leather, etc. हे full paragraph important आहे. I'll revise it again. Instead of chemicals, nowadays microbial enzymes are used as catalyst in chemical industry. First point, they operate at low temperature, pressure and pH. Therefore, energy is saved and requirement of erosion proof instrument is not necessary. Next, microbial enzymes perform only specific processes. ते फक्त ठराविकच प्रोसेस तयार करतात. Therefore, unnecessary byproducts are not formed and the expenses done for their purification is lessened. Next, students, during the microbial enzymatic reactions, elimination and decomposition of products is not is avoided. Hence, enzymes can be reused. Hence, enzymes are what? Eco-friendly. Some of the examples of these microbial enzymes are oxidoreductases, transferases, ligases, lyases, isomerases, etc. असे microbial enzymes आहेत. Next, dirt removal is possible when the detergent is mixed with these enzymes at even low temperature. Not only that, glucose and fructose syrup are prepared from corn flour by means of enzymes obtained from Bacilla and Streptomyces. Where are these enzymes used? They are used in industries such as cheese, plant extracts, textiles, leather, पेपर एक्सेट्रा. हे झाले मायक्रोबियल एन्झाईमची स्पेशालिटी. मीन्स एक तो दे आर इको फ्रेंडली, एक तो unnecessary use of energy is prevented, there is no elimination of byproducts required and all that, and even we can remove the dirt from the clothes or whatever it is at low temperature or at normal temperature as well. Clear students? Okay, हे झालं मायक्रोबियल एन्झाईम्स. मी एकदा 2 मिनिटात रिवाइज करते, मग आपण xanthan gum ला जाऊया. बघा, मायक्रोबियल एन्झाईम्स आर यूज्ड इन केमिकल इंडस्ट्री nowadays instead of chemical catalyst. Why? Because they can operate at low temperature, pressure and pH. Third point, hence the use of energy is minimized, and even the use of and even erosion proof instruments are not required. Next, they perform only specific processes and unnecessary byproducts are not prepared. Elimination and decomposition of waste products is avoided. Hence, these enzymes are eco-friendly. एक तो they eco-friendly and can be reused, students. Next, some of these enzymes, what are the names? Oxidoreductases, transferases, ligases, lyases, isomerases, etc. They mixing these enzymes with detergents help in the removal of dirt at low temperature. Glucose and fructose syrup are prepared from these corn flour by these enzymes obtained from bacteria and Streptomyces. And these enzymes, students, these enzymes are used in industries such as cheese, plant extract, leather, paper, textiles, etc. Over. Next, xanthan gum. What is this xanthan gum here? Xanthan gum, or we'll put here like this. The xanthan gum is that pigment or that solvent which imparts thickness to your favorite ice cream, pudding, your chocolate drinks. Okay, then you have instant soup. त्याला जे thickness दिली जाते, that is with the help of xanthan gum. Point number 2, xanthan gum is obtained from fermentation of starch and molasses. Point number 3, it is variously useful. Why? Because of its solubility in hot and cold water. कशातही easily soluble आहे and its density or thickness is high. Fourth property, xanthan gum, you know, it is used, बघा त्याचा यूज कुठं आणि तुम्ही आईस्क्रीम मध्ये खाता ते. Where is it used? It is used in the making of pigments. It is used in the making of fertilizer, weedicides, high quality paper, toothpaste. ठीक है? These are the uses of xanthan gum. Even textile pigments also. ठीक है? I'll repeat. Xanthan gum is the one which imparts thickness to your favorite products, that is ice cream, chocolate drink, puddings, तुम्ही खात नसाल puddings generally, puddings and instant soup. Next, how is xanthan gum prepared? It is prepared from the fermentation of starch and molasses. Point with the help of fungi, मुलांनो. Third point, it is variously useful. Hey, xanthan gum चा एवढा use का? Because of its properties such that it is soluble in hot and cold water and it has high density also.